What did you wish you had accomplished last year but didn't? What's one thing you really want to achieve this year, no matter what? We all have goals and dreams, things we want to accomplish and achieve. But often, we get to the end of the year, look back, and think, I wish I had done that. I wish I had taken that chance. I wish I had put in the work to reach that goal. Well, this year can be different. This year, you can make those dreams happen. You can achieve your biggest goals. How? By following a few simple principles used by the most successful people. First, you need clarity. You need crystal clear focus on exactly what you want to achieve, not a vague notion of getting healthier or making more money, but a crystal clear picture of your goal. Write it down. Make it specific and measurable. Clarify why this goal deeply matters to you. Get absolute clarity on what success looks like. Know exactly what you are aiming for. Next, you need a plan. Don't just wing it and hope for the best. Map out a detailed plan to reach your goal. Break it down into manageable action steps. Plan out when, where, and how you will complete each step. Build in accountability. Get your plan down on paper. Craft your roadmap to success. You also need support. Nobody succeeds alone. Share your goal and plan with others. Find cheerleaders and collaborators. Join forces with those headed the same direction. Surround yourself with positive people who will encourage you, hold you accountable, and inspire you to keep going. Additionally, focus on your progress, not perfection. You don't have to be perfect in executing your plan. You just need to take consistent action and make forward progress. Small steps in the right direction compound over time into big results. Progress fuels motivation. Stay positive through challenges and setbacks. They are inevitable. See them as opportunities to learn and grow. Persist with optimism, adapt as needed, and keep moving forward. Stay focused on the why behind your goal, not just the how. Tap into that purpose to push through obstacles. Take care of yourself along the way. Eat well, exercise, reduce stress, get enough rest. Refuel and recharge yourself regularly. You need energy and resilience to keep taking action towards your goal over the long haul. Be good to your mind and body. Review and reset as needed. At regular intervals, evaluate your progress. If some part of your plan isn't working, be willing to change course. Adjust your actions to get back on track towards your goal. Persistence paired with flexibility is key. And reward yourself for wins, small and large. Celebrate incremental progress. Find fun ways to appreciate your hard work along the journey. Give yourself healthy treats for completed milestones. Make the progress motivating and enjoyable. In summary, achieve your biggest goals this year by getting very clear on what you want. Make an actionable plan, surrounding yourself with support, focusing on your progress, staying positive, taking care of yourself, regularly reviewing and resetting, and celebrating small wins. Imagine what you could accomplish following these principles used by highly achievers. You have immense potential within you waiting to be unlocked. This year is your year. Your time is now. You've got this. With focus, courage, and persistence, you can achieve your biggest goals and make this year your best year yet. If you like this video or find it useful, please hit the like button and share this video with others so that it may help more people. Also, comment in below what takeaway you get from this video. If you are new to this channel, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, as I will continue to make regular videos in the coming days. Thank you.